Hey guys, Lock Hacker here. Today I have with me a lock you'd find if you're gonna be towing something. Uh, this slides down like so, and it locks your tow hitch in place. So that way, without the key, your tow hitch doesn't go anywhere. Use the key. And now it's yours. Alright. So immediately when I see this, I think shim. That's got to be the easiest way to get this thing open. And if you look down in there, you can see what grabs onto there. And if you push in on it, it's springy. That means, yep, sure enough, this should be an easy shim. So push that all the way down. And let's see. There you go. Just like that, without the key. Now, something more practical that you might, or something that you're more likely to have rather, something like a bobby pin, hairpin. Let's reset this. Okay, bottomed out. Now this on its own will probably not have enough strength to get in there and push that. So what you might have to do, see, oh, actually there you go, it does. Okay, if it didn't, if you have something that'll fit in there but you can't push down on it, what you're gonna have to do is sacrifice some of these notches. So I'm not pushing down very hard, but when I push down on the shackle, slide that along with it, and I'm sacrificing that room if I can. That way when I pull back out, it comes out just like that. Now, might not come out so easy at first. Sometimes you don't have that much room to work with, so you kind of gotta get in there, sacrifice a little, pull it out, reset, do the same thing, push down, sacrifice a little, pull the rest out. There you go, easy shimming. Doesn't take long at all. And this is rated for towing, obviously. So it's supposed to be able to protect a lot of money's worth of material. So keep that in mind. That again, hairpin is all you need in order to steal a trailer, so to speak. So just be careful what you put your faith in. You know, test everything, do a little bit of research. Same as always. And thank you to my buddy at work who let me borrow this.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, let me know. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.